Odoo CRM is a centralized platform designed to manage customer data, track interactions, and streamline your sales process. It serves as your command center for all customer-related activities. The system focuses on managing leads, tracking opportunities, and efficiently closing deals. A lead is a potential customer expressing interest in your product or service. These leads, often generated from various channels, can be converted into opportunities. Opportunities represent qualified prospects with a higher likelihood of becoming customers. The sales pipeline is a visual representation of the stages a deal goes through, from initial contact to closing. Here's what a typical Odoo CRM pipeline looks like in action. Odoo allows you to customize these pipeline stages to fit your specific sales process. You can add, rename, or automate stages as needed, and easily move leads between stages using a drag-and-drop interface. Odoo 15 and 17 have introduced powerful features to enhance these processes, including direct email and SMS communication from the CRM, advanced sales forecasting, and intelligent, rule-based lead assignment. Managing your sales process in Odoo CRM begins with capturing leads from multiple sources. These leads can come from your website, social media, email campaigns, or direct inquiries. Next, you qualify these leads to determine their potential value. Odoo CRM helps you assess lead quality through scoring and qualification criteria, then convert promising leads into sales opportunities. Odoo's activities management system helps you schedule and track all customer interactions. You can plan calls, meetings, and follow-ups with automated reminders to ensure nothing falls through the cracks. As opportunities progress through your sales pipeline, you can easily update their status in Odoo. The visual pipeline shows each stage clearly, from initial contact to closed deals. Odoo provides powerful analytics and forecasting tools. You can track revenue projections, analyze performance metrics, and visualize data through charts and graphs. Tags assigned to leads now appear in visual reports for better decision-making. Odoo CRM integrates seamlessly with other modules like sales, marketing, and project management. This integration provides a comprehensive view of all customer interactions and streamlines your entire business process.